Well, hello, my name is Miss Leslie, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own no-cost sprouting lid. I'm making mung beans, and I'm using this store-bought lid, and I love it, but I need something for my lentils. So here you go. I'm going to show you how to make your own no-cost lid, and it's food safe, so it's great. So take a lid that you would probably maybe even throw away, like from a cottage cheese or sour cream container. You're going to draw your lid size, the same size as your lid, and then you will cut it out. And you're going to go on the inside of this because the marker is going to make it a little bit bigger than it would have been normally. Anyways, you want it to fit inside the lid. So just check first to make sure, like in case you need to do any trimming, and it fits. So I'm going to take my scrapbooking hole punch and just make sure the hole punch is smaller than the seeds that you're using. So like if you were doing something for alfalfa or something, then it would have to be very small. But for most other ones, it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep going around, and I'm going to do a snail shell design because then I don't have to do like 2 or 3 perfect circles. So this is my snail shell design, and it fits inside my lid like that. And here you are. No cost sprouting lid. I love it. You can get as many sprouts as you want going. And by the way, lentil sprouts are one of my favorites. They're delicious. All right, see you next time.